Sweet chocolate goodness with a hint of spice and fruit. Let's take your taste buds on a European journey for today's Madalicious recipe, Crinkle Fudge Italian-style Totos. Hi, I'm Randy Oliva from San Miguel Foods Home Foodie, your source for madali plus delicious recipes. Kaya madalicious! Yes, you heard us right. Crinkle Fudge Italian-style Totos ang ating madalicious recipe. Totos are Italian chocolate spiced cookies served as a snack or dessert. If you are new to baking, don't worry! There's a reason why madalicious ang ating mga recipes. For the star of the show, Bake Best Crinkle Mix. Kaya hindi ka na mahirapang mag-measure ng mga ingredients for the cookies. Let's start by taking a screenshot of our complete list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. While that's preheating, prepare your baking trays by lining them with parchment paper and then set aside. The parchment paper will help prevent the dough from sticking to the trays. Combine the Bake Best Crinkle Mix, allspice, and cinnamon powder. Mix thoroughly before adding the orange juice, zest, and candied orange. Mix until a smooth dough is formed. Now you can divide your dough into 84 portions and form into balls that are about 1 inch in size, like this. Place on your lined baking trays about 1.5 inches apart so they don't stick together while baking. Place them into the oven and then bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. To make the Totos even more delicious, make a glaze by mixing powdered sugar to the juice of 2 oranges. Allow the cooked Totos to cool a little before dipping them into the glaze. And then top with chopped pistachios or any nut of your choice. If your glaze begins to harden, you can warm it up in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. And there you go, another madalicious treat to share and enjoy. Sweet, chocolatey spice orange cookies that can be served at any occasions. Here's a tip. You can prepare the dough a day or 2 ahead and then freeze or chill before baking. And you won't even need to thaw. This can be baked frozen. Madali, delicious, and convenient. See you soon and have a madalicious day.